Alright, so if you've just got the OpenRun Pro 2 mini bone conduction headphones and you want to wear it comfortably, let's see the proper way to place it so it stays secure without pressing on your ears. Alright, so first you're gonna check which side goes where. So if you hold the band in front of your face, the multifunction button should be on the left and the power and volume buttons will be on the right side. So after that, just move it around your neck like this, and then rest the band behind your head and keep a little space between the band and your shoulder. And on the other side, make sure to place the speaker pads so they align with your temporal bone, just right in front of your ears without pressing on them. Now this fit should feel light and secure. You can just move your head gently to make sure it stays steady. Everything okay? Now you're ready to enjoy them without discomfort. And that's the correct way to wear it. Thanks for watching.